Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Oh my goodness everybody, I am so excited for this video. I have been wanting to scream from the rooftops ever since Nathalie had asked me if I would design with her a kit for a collaboration, and here it finally is. So throughout the month of May, Nathalie and I are doing a collaboration. We've both designed parts of a kit. It's called Bohemian Summer. My half is 17 pages, Nathalie's half is also 17 pages. I'll only be showing you mine today, but I will put her link down below so you can go and check out her intro video where she shows off her kit as well. As usual with collaborations, there will be challenges going on in various Facebook groups, there will be prizes to be won, and we are asking that if you do any creating, whether it's with these kits or with the freebies that we have created, that you use the hashtag #BohoSummerKollab, and then we'll be able to see all of the wonderful things that you are making. Now, I will be posting freebies and challenges in the Junk Journaling for Everyone Facebook group because that's my main kind of hangout in Facebook, and Nathalie will obviously be doing it in her own group, in the LineDotArrow Facebook group. So there'll be challenges and freebies there too. So if you want access to the challenges and the freebies, you need to make sure that you are joining either of those two Facebook groups. And if you are not on Facebook, we will also be having the freebies on our Ko-fi pages. So if you are not part of Facebook, then you can still get hold of the freebies on our Ko-fi pages. I'll have all of those links down below so that you can go and check those out. We also have some of our design team members who are going to be playing around with these pages. A couple of them have their own Facebook groups and have generously said that they would also have the challenges running in their group. So Haystack's Crafty Corner and Sweet Pea Papers will also be running the challenges in their groups. And again, there'll be prize draws for winners in those groups as well. I will go more into the challenges and the prizes and how to enter in another video where I kind of introduce the challenges and show you some of the freebies for the first week. But today I just wanted to show you the main kit. So let's take a look then at the Bohemian Summer Kit. So as I said, this is 17 pages, so it's quite a big kit. We've tried to keep it quite summery, so there's lots of kind of turquoisey blues, lots of greens, lots of pinks. It's very floral. So yeah, trying to keep it as nice and summery as we could. So this is the first journal page. So we've got this beautiful boho lady and the dream catcher and feathers, and then beautiful frames on this side with lace and the butterflies. But again, light enough that there is still some writing space. Got a beautiful collage page, again with a mixture of sort of florals and feathers and butterflies and all sorts going on there. And then we've got this page. I love the colour of this blue, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got a piece here, so lots of space for journaling on that side. And then this gorgeous frame with the Bohemian lady in. And again, a pinkish paper this time. Again, some journaling space, some lace and feathers. And the next journaling page. Again, nice and pale on one side for some journaling. I love this kind of beautiful ornate frame. Just really lovely. And again, I left this bit free just so there is a spot for journaling as well. And then we've got this beautiful large butterfly, which I thought would look great maybe in the centre of a signature or something. Looks really lovely. Love the colours on that one. And then we've got some just background pages, so these could perhaps go on the underside of the other journaling pages. So these are just a little bit quieter in their colour, so they are light enough to journal on. So we've got a green, and then I've got the same page in the turquoise blue. And then I've got this one, which just has kind of a little cluster of all the different elements. So the frame, the butterfly, the feather, and some of the writing. And then we move on to our ephemera pieces. So we've got some large tags and another set of large tags. What I love about these is you don't necessarily have to do anything more to them, because obviously this is from the collage page, but you can of course still collage over the top if you wish. Then we've got some smaller tags down at the bottom, some journaling cards at the top, a butterfly to fussy cut, and this beautiful ornate frame, which you could leave as is, or you could fold down the middle and then cut out the two windows, and you've got kind of like a specimen card that you could possibly use. Then we've got this beautiful envelope, again with that lovely ornate frame, and then I've got a smaller version of the frames here on the side. Then we've got 4 large pockets. We've got some washi tape on this one, another tag, another journaling card, and then a large journaling card there. That is one of the bingo cards. And then the last page is a smaller version of the bingo card, a smaller tag, again some fussy cuts, another sort of larger version of that ornate frame, and then we've got some of the labels up at the top that you can use. Some of them have words in, some of them do not. But yeah, that is the final page in this kit. So I really hope that you love this kit. It has been a delight to create, and I am so happy with how it's turned out. I have not made a Bohemian style journal yet. It has been on my list for a little while, so I'm excited to get started with these papers and with Nathalie's half of the kit as well. I will be recording my process so you can kind of see how I'm getting on with using the kit and building my journal. But yeah, I just wanted to introduce my kit, and as I said, I will go through the challenges and how to enter and where you can find all of the freebies in my next video. So when this video goes out, the freebies won't necessarily be live yet, but they will be very shortly. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and that bell, and then you'll be notified when I post a new video, because it'll be my next one when I show you the first lot of freebies that are coming out and the first week's challenge. So if you want all of those links, then you need to make sure that you are subscribed and you are notified when that video comes out. Well, thank you very much for coming and taking a look at this beautiful kit. As I said, Nathalie's half is on her channel, so I'll put that link down below. I really hope that you will purchase these kits or even play around with the freebies and make something. Make sure you're using that hashtag as well, Boho Summer Collab, because I would really love to see what you make with these kits or the freebies. That's it from me today. I will see you in the next crafty video. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you later now. Bye bye.